Hi guys, Dave here from Invoice Ninja. I'd like to take you through today our purchase orders, which is a new feature in Invoice Ninja, and how you can use purchase orders with the rest of the application to keep track of your inventory, to restock your inventory, and also how purchase orders can be then converted into an expense at a later date so that you can keep all of your critical business processes within Invoice Ninja. So we'll go through by starting with a quick example. Let's start off by making sure that our inventory tracking is turned on. And we're going to want to receive stock notifications. And you can see here we've defined 2 as our global notification threshold. So when any of your products reach 2 in quantity, you'll be notified by email. And this is a global, but it can also be overridden as well. So within our product, and so let's create a new product, and we'll call this, for example, a server. And we're going to sell this server for $1,000. We've got none in stock at the moment, but we want to have stock notifications. And if we want to override the default notification levels, which is 2, which we've set globally, we can change that to 5 here. And so that whenever this particular server reaches a quantity level of 5, we'll receive an email. So, okay, we've got our first product. We need some inventory now. So to get some inventory, we're going to raise a purchase order with our vendor. And we want some servers. And so this is our sell price. Hopefully it's not our buy price as well. We're going to make our buy prices. And this is what we've agreed with our vendor. It's going to be for $500 for units. We're going to get 10 units. And here we go. And we're going to send this off to our vendor. So the vendor will then need to accept this purchase order, and that forms a legally binding contract between yourself and the vendor. And it guarantees you the price that you've requested, and it also guarantees the vendor that same price as well when they deliver. So we're going to send that off. And if we take a view of this from how the vendor will see this, after they receive the email with the purchase order link, they'll arrive back on your portal. They'll be able to view the purchase order, and they'll be able to accept it at this point here. So that's accepted there now. If we head back into Invoice Ninja, we can see the purchase order has been accepted. So great, we've accepted this, some time's gone past, and the vendor's delivered these goods to you. So at this point, we want to add these to our inventory. So we're going to add this to our inventory. And if we refresh the data here, for our servers, we should have 10 in stock, and we do. And we can see our notification threshold of 5. So it's worked. Everything's worked as we've expected. If we want to take it one step further, now that we've received it, we can convert this into an expense, because eventually you'll need to pay the vendor as well. So you can see this is now expensed. And you can see we have our expense. There's 10 servers there at $500 each. And here we are. And this is all great. And this is all done. And we can mark it as paid later on. So you can see here we've captured the full purchase cycle, from the purchase order to managing your inventory, and then also receiving notifications about your products as well as they hit their notification thresholds. So hopefully this is of use to you in your business workflow. If you have any questions, please leave a comment in the comments below, or send us an email to contact@invoiceninja.com. Thank you.